In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Strava app on Android. If you're getting into running, cycling, hiking, or simply want a reliable way to track your walks, Strava is a great choice. It supports more than 40 activities, shows your distance, speed, and progress over time, and even lets you join challenges and connect with other athletes so you can stay motivated. Before we begin, make sure your phone is running Android 8.0 or higher. You'll also want GPS enabled for accurate tracking and an internet connection so your activities can sync to your account. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection helps the download go smoothly. Let's download the app the right way using the official method. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the trusted place to get Android apps safely. At the top, tap the search bar and type Strava. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official listing named Strava, Run, Bike, Hike, published by Strava Inc. Checking the publisher name helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're getting the real thing. Once you've found the correct listing, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and available storage. If the progress seems slow, just keep the Play Store open and let it finish. Switching apps or locking the screen can sometimes pause large downloads. When the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Strava right away. The first time you open it, you may be asked for permissions like location access. Granting location helps Strava record your routes accurately. You can also manage these permissions later in your phone's settings if you need to. If you don't see the install button or it's grayed out, your device might not meet the Android version requirement, or the app may not be available for your device model. Also, double-check that you spelled Strava correctly and that the listing is by Strava Inc. Sticking to the Google Play Store is the safest way to avoid unofficial downloads. That's it. You've downloaded Strava on your Android device and you're ready to explore. With GPS turned on and an internet connection, you can track runs, rides, hikes, and more, review your stats over time, and join challenges to stay inspired. Thanks for watching and enjoy your training with Strava.